this video I'll be taking you to the other side of Grenoble. Let's go. You can see the tram and you know that the city is well connected. So I'm taking you to the side of Grenoble. This is the highway. Here you can see the tram going. There are some apartments. I think you can see the mountains. And here is the view. Turin, Milan. Look at these marvelous views of the mountains. You can see the roads, that beautiful palace. I'm going onto the sides of mountain, I would say. You can see hand pumps here in Grenoble. Like you can use it like this. You can just have to push and you can drink the water. Oh, here is the other side of Grenoble, I would say. The tram is again going. See the mountains and clouds, such a scenic view here. And this painting, look at this piece of art. Here we are on the other side of Grenoble. I think it's a school, as you can see. It's so very beautiful from the inside as well. You can see the roads. Here are the apartments. So that's the road. You can see this scenic view, houses, everything. Full house. It has got old architecture. So you can see the scenic view of mountains. It's in Fontaine, near to Grenoble, and there is the showroom of Ford, and then we have the showroom of Skoda as well there, and BYD showroom right next to the Ford. And so we'll be heading to this direction. There you can see mountains and the houses, so we'll go in this direction. Look at these mountains, aren't they beautiful? Here I think is the museum. So you can see of Grenoble. There's another tram station where we have come. You can see such things here. I think It's from the last year. I think it is not updated as of now. There you can see the other tram. There's the Fontaine Center. There you can see the mountains. So this is a park nearby that you can see near Fontaine. It's near to Grenoble only. So here are the mountains. And so with this, we are going to end our vlog. Thank you so much